The third, the seventh, and the 13th terms of an arithmetic sequence, common difference 1.5, form three consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. Find the first term of the arithmetic sequence and the common ratio of the geometric sequence. Okay, so we know for an arithmetic sequence that any term is the first term plus the term number minus 1 times the common difference d. We know that d is 3 over 2. It's probably best to work as an improper fraction rather than as a decimal. So we know that the third term will be the first term plus, using this formula here, 3 minus 1 times the common difference 3 over 2. So that becomes that a is plus 2 times 3 over 2. The 2's will cancel out, and we're left with that the third term is a plus 3, which is the first term plus 3. The seventh term will be a plus 7 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3 over 2, which is a plus 6 times 3 over 2. The 2 will go into the 6 3 times, so therefore the seventh term will be a plus 3 times 3, which is 9. The 13th term will be a plus 13 minus 1 times the common difference 3 over 2, which gives me a plus 12 times 3 over 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times, and 6 3s are 18, so the 13th term will be a plus 13. Now we know that these three terms form three consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. So if we want to find the common ratio of a geometric sequence, we take two consecutive terms, we take the higher term, so this term, and then divide it by this term, and that will give me the common ratio. So R will be U7 over R3, and also R, because they're consecutive terms, will be U13 over U7. So writing these terms instead of these numbers here, we're going to have A plus 9 over A plus 3 is going to be equal to A plus 18 over A plus 9. Now, this is an equation which we can solve, so we cross multiply. So we're going to have A plus 9 times A plus 9 is equal to A plus 3 times A plus 18. So it's going to be A squared, and then we're going to get 9A plus 9A, which is 18A. And then 9 times 9, which is 81. Over here, we're going to get A times A, which is A squared. 18A plus 3A gives me 21A. And then 3 times 18 is 54. Now, the A squares will cancel out. If you try to take one over the other side, they'll cancel each other out. So we're going to take 18A over here. We're going to get... we're going to take 54 over here, we're going to get 27, and then 18A over here, we're going to get 3A, and therefore we're going to get that the first term of the arithmetic sequence is going to be 9. So the common ratio, we can just substitute it back into one of these, either one will do, will be A plus 9, so it's going to be 9 plus 9, over 9 plus 3, which gives me 3 over 2. And if you put it into here, you all should get the same value, so it's a good double check. So this has been a video to show you how to find the first term of an arithmetic sequence and the common ratio of a geometric sequence when you're given three terms of an arithmetic sequence which form a geometric sequence. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.